Hey, you guys, happy Saturday. This is Peter from Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair, and today is hair washing day. I have in a raw Indian curly frontal, 13 by 4. I want to say, I can't remember the inches. I've had the hair for so long. This is about 3 months now. So anyway, I don't remember, and I have in 2 bundles. Again, curly hair. I've been abusing the hair. It's been sewn in for 3 weeks now. I have not washed it yet. The girl did such a great job. Look at that hairline. She did that, y'all. So I'm gonna just have to touch that up, I guess, with some glue once I wash it. But I wanted to come and just do a video to show you guys what the hair looks like when it's in its worst state. Okay, this is the curly hair. So that's me just fingering it through, trying to just get some tangles out. Then I'm gonna comb it with a wide tooth comb from the ends to the roots. And then I'm gonna get to washing it. I don't know how to take you guys in the shower with me to wash it. So I will come back and continue this video after I shampoo it. I'm just gonna use, not sure what I'm gonna use it. I gotta see what I have in my arsenal. I have so much shampoos and stuff I buy, but just something that's going to be very rich and moisturizing. I'm not going to use the silicone shampoo or silicone mix conditioner because I usually just use that when I prep you guys bundles for shipping because it has a lot of moisture to it initially, but you don't have to use it so often. So yeah, so I'm going to shampoo this hair. 3 weeks sew-in. Great job the girl did. It's very secure, really nice. Yeah. So stay tuned. I'm going to go shampoo now, and I'll be back. Love you guys. Mwah. Okay, you guys, I am back from Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. So this is my Indian curly hair after I washed it. Again, I used the Design Essentials products. I just did one shampoo. It lathered really well. I let that sit a little bit, and then I rinsed that out, and then I did the conditioner. I didn't have much conditioner in the jar, so I just put what I could. I figured I'll continue to condition when I add my moisture to, when I add some oil to, some serum. So again, I split it down the middle. It's wet. Just do a comb through, start at the ends. If you're not having any resistance, you can go right up to the roots and handle your business and get it combed through. So this is the hair. It is super wet right now, guys. So this is the hair after I shampooed it. Again, this is the comb that I'm using. You know what? That's not the one I used initially. Let me get the other comb. I like that better. This one is better. This one has some ridges or something going on. So, yeah. So, yeah. Just come up to the roots. If it's behaving, you just get the combing. Just comb out your tangles. As you guys can see, you don't have too much tangles going on. So, all that poofy wild lion look is all tame now when it's wet. So yeah, so this is it here. Remember, you guys, water is your moisture. So at this point, I am going to add some oil to it. Let me see. I have a girl that created a product. This is aloe vera with oil. She's actually doing a natural hair line, but she doesn't have her site up or anything like that, so I won't say her name yet. I did purchase some oil from her and some souffle, and I'm going to start to kind of put them in samples, and I'm waiting for her to send me her business card in your packages so you can try it as well. So this has a little aloe vera in it and some oil, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. So I don't have it in a spray, so I got to kind of very liquidy. So I just put it on the hair from root to tip. I think I will have to, usually when you wash your hair and you've had it, you know, use adhesive in the front. When you tie it down, it kind of readheses itself. So I'm going to see how it behaves. Get some more. Rub it together. Put on this other side. All the way from the roots to tips. Yep. This hair is awesome, you guys. This is the Indian raw curly hair. I love the natural hair. I never really tried natural hair until I decided to start selling natural hair because I just thought it would be better than buying the hair that's processed. I have always worn sewn-ins and wigs and always bought the processed hair from China, but I thought, hey, it's time for us to take our industry back. We can communicate with each other. We can share our experiences because we're actually wearing the hair. So yeah, so this is the hair wet. The natural hair gurus say to dry your hair with a t-shirt and not a towel. So I got my t-shirt right here, and I'm gonna figure out a way to wrap this hair around this t-shirt, y'all. So I'm able to do it, but I won't do it on camera because it's kind of weird looking. But that's the t-shirt. So yeah, so I'm gonna wrap the hair. I put oil in there. That aloe vera mixture I showed you guys. Smells kind of earthy. So I'm probably gonna put another moisturizer in that would tone down that earthy smell a little bit. She is working on that. I told her it had a little strong smell to it, so. But the product is really good to moisturizer, so that's why I'm putting it in. But anywho, that's it, guys. So I'm just combing it through one more time. As you can see how easy it combs, and not a problem at all. And yeah, so once I dry it, then I will tie it down the hairline to see if it behaves and if it's gonna stay again. So yeah, I don't wanna tie it down right now because the hair's just too wet. So let me let it dry a little bit, tie it down, and I will come back to you guys once it's dry and looking fabulous. Mwah. Love you guys again. Thank you so much for all of your support at Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. See you on the site. We got crazy deals going this week, so make sure you check them out. They're sending out emails and different posts. So yeah, stay tuned. Mwah. Okay, you guys, I got the t-shirt on my head. I just bent over, flipped the hair up, and put that on, but I don't really see a way to tuck this part, so I am going to just put this shower cap on it to hold that part down for me. It ain't cute, y'all, but hair washing day is not pretty. That's how we're gonna work this out, y'all. Okay, that's it for now. Love you guys. Okay, you guys, I am back. The hair is drying. I took it out of the t-shirt. So this is what we're looking like. Hopefully this sun is not affecting you guys from seeing, you know, my hair. I'm trying to look and see if there's a different area that I could stand in that will make it better. Not so much sun. I think this is better. Yeah. So what I am going to do is, so this is what it's looking like right now. So it's still drying, but it's looking lovely. This frontal, so of course the frontal lifted up. So what I'm trying to do is, my life is so crazy, I'm so busy today. So I am going to just use some bedhead spray and spray it here. Sorry about the angle. I have the camera like on a low stand, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. And I've already sprayed one layer, so then I thought, oh, let me just come and put it on camera for you guys. So, you know, let that dry a little bit, nothing exciting. And I am gonna just try to see if I can make my frontal behave with just using that spray. So I'm gonna tie down the front with just using that spray and see how it does. And if not, I'll have to go back to the stylist for her to just redo the install on my frontal, y'all. So I'm trying not to have to because I got so much going on. Y'all keep us so busy, and then I'm doing other stuff. We have our sale already started, so you guys have been chiming and asking a lot of questions, so we just want to make sure we're available for you. Then I just put one of these bands on. Okay. This is just, I cut some old tights, and yeah, that's what this is. So I'm trying to, let me do this, get the hair out my way so I could tie the band. Okay. See if my plan's gonna work or not. I'm just trying to not have to go get it done. But if I have to go get it done, we're gonna get it done, because her layer of the frontal was everything, y'all. It just lasted. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's it. Don't do anything much more. So this will continue to dry. Just kind of crinkle it up as it's drying. Give me more defined curls. Yeah, lovely, gorgeous hair, y'all. Y'all sleeping on this Indian hair. Don't be sleeping on this Indian curly, honey. Even the Indian body wave is beautiful, you know. If you don't want a super tight curl, it has a little wave to the little curl sometimes on some of them, you know. It's raw hair, so you can't guarantee the same pattern every time, but I try when you order it, I try to match them as close as, if you order more than one bundle, I try to match the curl pattern as close as possible, but it's not always possible. So hopefully you guys understand when you get your raw hair that each bundle will be different because it's from different donors. So anywho, guys, I love you with Christopher Anthony's Pure Raw Virgin Hair. We're going to lay this hair and see how it does. You know, that bed head is pretty strong. It's just that it wouldn't last, you know, for more than one day at a time. But I am going to see what it does. If it works out for me, that might be my go-to for the week. Just carry the bed head when I travel. I got a little small size one, a 3 ounce one. So, and then just have to, you know, touch up that hairline every now and then. But I have to think about it, see if I want to even fool with that. I might just go back to the stylist and let her fix it. But anyway, guys, I'll be talking on and on and on. But yeah, so I got this down here. We're going to see, give it a few minutes. I will come back when I take it off. I'm getting ready to go shift gears and do some other things. And yeah, I will let y'all see the final product. Mwah! Love you guys. Thank you for all your support at Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. Peace.